Hello children, I hope you're hungry because we're going to be making some yogurt dips. So all you will need is a fork, a spoon, a small plate or a bowl, and your favourite berries, and yogurt also. So I'm going to be using blackberries and raspberries, but you can use whatever berries that you like. So firstly, we're going to grab our plate or our bowl. And we're going to put our fruit in. So I've got my raspberries. And then I'm going to pop in some blackberries. So next we're going to mash our fruits. Let me just put my camera down so that you can see what I'm doing. So I've got my fruits in my plate here and my fork. And I'm just going to use my fork to mash up my berries. If you can see all of the juices coming out of your berries. And what's happening when they mix together? Look, it's changing colour. It looks a little bit like jam. Squish, 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 squish. And they are pretty much ready now. So then we've got our mashed berries, and now all we need to do is add our yogurt. I'm going to be using some plain Greek yogurt, but feel free to use whatever yogurt is your favourite. And then we're just going to mix it all up together. There we have our yummy fruity yogurt dip. Now if you want to, you can eat this by itself because I like berries with my yogurt by itself, but you can have some cucumber sticks, some vegetable sticks, you can have some carrot sticks, or you can even use breadsticks, and you can just dip it in to your yogurt dip. Or if you really want to, you can even put this on top of some porridge. There's so much you can do with this, children, but this makes for a very yummy yogurt dip. Now I'm off to go enjoy my yogurt dip. So I hope you have fun making your yogurt dips too, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.